Christie's been in control rooms now for over 25 years developing solutions. About 12 years ago we started to define solutions specifically designed for control rooms and control rooms only. So you see, for example, we have video wall products, rear projection video wall products that use engines that have the highest reliability in the industry using LED. So what you're seeing here at ISE 2013 is the results of over 18 months of reinvestment and invigoration to the control room area from Christie. So it's a very large investment bringing the brand new products to the market. Products that we're showing today are things like the TVC 700 network controller, the Phoenix processor, which is now allowing us to do collaborative based data transmission, and also the Intero HB cubes, which bring the LED cubes to a brand new level of brightness and also a lower power use, so giving a much greater efficiency to the customer. So the new product features, if we talk first of all about the Phoenix product, that allows you quantum mobility. We've seen before very much with TVC controllers, network-based controllers, it was very much a one-to-one. You take the source to the video wall in a single room. More and more, listening to customers, they're very much interested in quantum mobility and utilizing sources they already had on the network, such as IP cameras in compression streams such as H.264. So we've designed a new product called Phoenix that allows you to encode DVI, both at single link and dual link resolutions, and stream that using a customer's own network, so no proprietary network. And allows you to share that data not to just one node of Phoenix but to multiple nodes. So you can have data not on just one video wall, you can stream it to meeting rooms, crisis centers, anywhere you want to share that data. And the intention for that then is to move to a true mobile environment so that you can utilize that with your smartphones, your iPads, all these mobile data transmission devices. So that's Phoenix, which has been a major launch for us. The TVC 700 is an expansion to the range of the TVC controller, which is network-based single-room controllers. It's a lower price system that allows you more and more capability in the number of inputs, and it's customer configured to exactly meet what's required for each control room. And then the Intero HB products launched here. Now Intero HB is our higher brightness LED illuminated DLP rear projection cube systems. It's now the brightest unit on the market, boasting some 950 ANSI lumens of brightness, meaning that we've been able to also expand our cube range. So now if you look at SXJ Plus, we offer a large range of cubes, 50 inch, 67 inch, 70 inch and 80 inch. For HD resolution 1920 by 1080, we offer a 70-inch cube, and then at WU 1920 by 1200, we have a 72-inch cube as well. All of this utilizes LED illumination, and as I mentioned previously, we've been able to get higher brightness with a lower power use as well. So efficiency has been one of the key words that we're utilizing here on our new displays. Customers' requirements change room by room by room. It's true that there are a number of rooms that are built for marketing purposes, for that spectacular entrance. So we try, whenever we design a system, to look at who is the most favored viewer, who we design the room for, what's the function of that room. We can design around that requirement. More and more though, no matter if it is just a showpiece, functionality is a key word. So we look at the types of functions that people want to have in the room. You know, how are they going to work together? What's the data they want to look at? How many hours a day are they looking at? How does the team interact with one another? And from that, we can help with the design of the room, utilizing the right product. You know, be it DLP cubes for the most spectacular, large-scale rooms. For smaller rooms, we might look at microtile displays, the Christie microtile, which is a very shallow footprint, high brightness DLP rear projection device. or where things are budget constrained, we might look at using our narrow bezel LCD products, the FHD 551-X, which is a 55-inch, 5.7mm bezel display. So what I love about working with Christie is the amount of tools and solutions I have available. We've expanded that now by bringing these new products to market. So every requirement is different, and we have a way to be able to address all of those requirements, we believe. Christie's always looking to expanding the areas that we work with. It's interesting, in the control room solutions, we work already in places like broadcast. So in Madrid we did Antenna 3 television news set that uses Christie's DLP rear projection cubes and the Spider X20 processor. Likewise, we're finding new opportunities here even at ISE with our new products. It's interesting how the education market is interested in content mobility and collaboration, which is really what Phoenix has been designed towards. So, as I say, having a kit bag full of different solutions is really appropriate to this type of market area and allows us to expand those markets, listening to those customers' requirements. That distinguish Christie. First of all, number one, investment. We're putting a large investment. We want to become the number one in control rooms as we become the number one in other markets around the world in the audiovisual environments. Reliability is another thing that distinguishes Christie. We have the most reliable projection engine in the world. That's already proven through the mean time between failure studies that we've done in actual field installations. I think also service is another thing that differentiates Christie's from others. Our service is renowned around the world. The locality, the fact that we have local offices. For example, in Spain we have our Madrid office looking after the Spanish market particularly. So we have service engineering, field service. It's all about service to the customer and a total solution. And from all of that, one thing I can absolutely tell you is our customer retention is extremely high. Customers work with Christie and continue to work with Christie on generations of control rooms. We're responding to customers' requirements all the time. Christie's asking the customers, well, what's new? Where are you going? We're gathering experiences from around the world. Christie is a very large audiovisual company with a lot of employees. We're all talking to customers all the time, looking at where the new requirements are. You can expect to see continued investment from Christie in the control room market, which will be followed up with future new products addressed specifically to that area.